I've never thought in my whole life I'm gonna make money through social media. My reels are getting better. I would recommend VJ to anybody. My name is Tamara, and I do cross-cultural coaching. Before joining this program, I would say I just started, thinking about building a brand and kind of expanding. I did go viral, but then I didn't know what to do with it. So it was more like, okay, I know I have to monetize this. How do I do it? Which way to go and how the process works was kind of a mystery because I've never thought in my whole life I'm gonna make money through social media. I'm not a social media person, so that's even funnier. But yeah, so before joining this program, I would say I've noticed that there's potential there, but how to grab that potential was kind of unknown. Well, my husband actually found it on Facebook ads. And then he said, "Oh, you got to check this out. You're going to love it. Whatever. We really need something like that." And then I checked it out. And he's like, "You're going to love it because the guy's European, and you love their jokes, whatever." So we're kind of joking. And then I kind of checked it out. And then we had the strategy call. And before that, I have to admit, was suspicious because I was like, whatever, everybody's selling everything online. Who knows what that is? Free strategy call is always there. And then we kind of went into a free strategy call and we were like, oh, we do need this. Oh, this totally makes sense. And, they kind of hooked us in a strategy call because it was really set up very logically, very nicely. And it made sense for, what I want to achieve with that. And it was very systematic too, which totally sold us. Yeah. Well, my first was a little bit kind of, okay, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. There's like a lot of stuff happening going in. But after that, I would say once I figured out, okay, this is here, this is here, this is here, Slack is this, whatever. Then I've noticed that there's like a system to it. And once I figured out the system, everything's running like really fine. So it's not that difficult to figure it out. Well, I'm making money. That's the result for sure. So from zero to money. Um, I would have to say, like, not just about the money, my reels are getting better. I'm getting more clarity on, like, the customer's needs and wants and how to nurture those needs and wants. I'm getting more clarity on, I would say, responding to the customers and how to hook the customers to buy more. Definitely more clarity on how to kind of track these algorithms, how to learn these algorithms, and how to use them to my advantage. And learning how I loved one of the Max's videos, like, oh, learn the pain points of your customers. And I was like, you know what, that's really smart. So I started kind of reading all of my comments and then going through them and writing down, what people are saying and identifying even more pain points. And usually those videos go viral too. So yeah, it's like it gave clarity in way too many things to kind of count, but these are some of them, yeah. I would recommend VJ to anybody. I actually did recommend it to people, but I would recommend it especially. Well, I'm a coach, so for coaches, this is amazing. Like the systems and how everything is in place and how well it is explained and how in videos, like when you do Max's educational videos, I absolutely love how he's doing it in 5 minutes segments. So it's not too overwhelming, but you're actually going through a lot. And I love how simple it is and how straightforward it is. So I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's doing any type of business, not just coaching, because it's useful to have those systems in place. So